Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to this new topic. How could the plants survive without light? Because you know different thing about plants. Plants need light for growth. They need water and they need nutrients from the soil. But light is very important, and light will be useful for plants for photosynthesis, the processes where the plants take energy from the sun for create its own food and uh, and transform carbon dioxide to new oxygen. So it's very useful for humanity. Thank you, the plants. You are very important for us. Without plants, we cannot live. It's true. So let's start the video lesson.
If you've ever planted a garden, you probably know that you put the seeds in the dirt, you water them, and then they grow. Simple as that. Why do you think we water them and put them in dirt? The plants are probably drinking the water, right? But what about the dirt? Do plants eat the dirt? You know that animals and human beings need both water and food. So are plants the same in that way? First, let's talk about water. What would happen if you didn't water the seeds? Do you think they would still grow? Let's do a quick experiment to see for ourselves. We'll take 2 seeds and put them each in their own cup of dirt. But one seed we add water, and the other we never add water. Then we wait a few days. What's going to happen? Here you go. That's what we thought. Plants need water in order to grow. And plants need dirt too, right? What do you think? Do plants need dirt? How could you find out?
We have to make an experimentation. Do you think plants need dirt to grow? Think about how we found out that seed need water to grow. We'll see with the next video.
Here's what we did at Mystery Science. When we wanted to know if a plant needed water, we planted 2 seeds in dirt and gave one of them water. Now we'll experiment again. But this time, instead of testing what happens without water, we'll test what happens without dirt. We'll put 1 seed in dirt and leave 1 seed sitting in a cup, but both seeds will get watered. Now, we don't want the seed without dirt to drown in water, so we've placed it on a paper towel, but we'll keep it nice and moist. So go ahead, make your prediction. Tell me what you think is going to happen when we water both of these seeds.
What do you think will happen? Does the plants will die? Does the plant will grow well? What do you think? Okay, let's see the result. The answer.
Okay, let's see what happens. Here's the seed we gave water and dirt. Let's see what happened to it a few days later. And yep, here it is a few days later. It's sprouted. Okay, and what about this seed that we watered but without ever putting it in dirt? A few days later? Whoa, wait, really? How is that possible? It started growing with just water? No dirt? Wow, I did not expect that would happen. Huh, so it seems water might be all that matters for plants then? Water is very important. Let's look more closely at what happens when you water seeds. These seeds have been watered. Notice how they soak it up and this makes them swell? And then within a day or two, something starts to break out of this protective coating the seed is in. So it seems like water kind of wakes up the seed and makes it start growing. Notice what this thing is that's broken out of the seed. It's a root. One of the very first things a seed does after being watered is to grow a root. Now watch in this video, all of these seeds will start growing roots. Now why do you think they do this? It's because water is so important to these young plants that each of them wants to find more water right away. And they're growing roots to soak up more water. They send the roots down because this is where there probably will be more water. If we look more carefully at the roots, we can see every root grows lots of little root branches off the sides. And each of these, if we zoom in on them, we can see have these tiny hairs, which can soak up water like a sponge. So water makes the seed sprout and makes the plant grow. But now wait a second. What about dirt? Does that mean plants don't need dirt at all?
What do you think? So now compare these two tomato plants. The one on the left grow in dirt, the one on the right grow in water, but not dirt. Which plant look healthier? Why? But we saw the plant who grow in dirt, it's bigger, and the leaf are better color. Green water, she's smaller and looks not so healthy.
Here we see two different tomato plants after a few weeks. One was grown in dirt. Here we see two different tomato plants after a few weeks. One was grown in dirt and seems to be doing just fine. The other one has just been growing in water with no dirt. Yikes. Do you know?
The subtitles is in Vietnamese. It's crazy. Wow. Wow. It's in English. Vietnamese. It's crazy. It's very crazy. So I will find English. Okay. Oh my god.
Here we see two different tomato plants after a few weeks. One was grown in dirt and seems to be doing just fine. The other one has just been growing in water with no dirt. Yikes. Do you notice? Its leaves are yellowed. It's not nearly as tall as the other plant either. It hasn't grown as much. We say that its growth has been stunted. This plant is unhealthy and sick. So it seems like plants do need dirt, or at least they grow better in dirt.
Our experiments show that plants need water and dirt to be healthy. What else do they need? They need love.
In today's activity, you're going to do an experiment to learn about what plants need to grow. You'll do it by growing.
Just give me 1 minute because it's in Vietnamese. It's crazy. It's very crazy. Okay.
Growing plant seeds in a paper cup. Each of these little seeds grow up to become radish plants. A radish is a plant that grows like a carrot. The part you eat grows underground. Today, your job is to find out whether a plant can grow without sunlight. What do you think will happen? I'll walk you through how to get started, step by step.
Okay, it was P.O. who called me. Let's continue the video.
Before we get started, discuss this question. When you're done with this step, click the arrow on the right.
How could you use radish seed to find out whether a plant can grow without sunlight? Do you have any ideas? Can try. But we will not make this exercise because we don't have materials. So we'll just go at the end of the lesson, see if there is extra content. Okay.
Put the cup that is not marked
Get
with
a
draw the
with your
radish
partner
next to a window.
Get the cup that was
side by
marked
side on
and
the
some
work
and the cup that was in the light.
Draw
and
find out what
you
happened
see
in each cup. Afterwards, go to the next slide to watch the final 2 videos.
Okay kids, so today was a short video, but like that you can memorize maybe better. So could a plant survive without light? No, a plant needs light. Can a plant can survive without water? No. Plant need water. It's very important. From the beginning, when the seeds sprout, the roots will go deeper and deeper for find water. It's essential for the plant can survive. So, and does the plant need dirt? They can survive without dirt, but a lot of plants love dirt and they will be healthier if they have soil and dirt. Thanks for watching me, kids. See you for next lesson. Have a good time. Bye bye.